I hope all of you are studying well at your home. Today I am going to explain chapter 5 of your EVS book, that is plants around us. You know children, plants play a very important role in our lives. We see plants everywhere, outside our houses, sometimes inside our houses. Plants are divided into categories according to their size. Let us discuss different types of plants. First category is trees. Trees are the plants which have very strong stem, that is known as trunk. They are tall, strong and big plants. They live for many years. Their stem, that is known as trunk, is generally brown in color. Some examples of trees are neem tree, mango tree. Now second category, shrubs. Shrubs are small bushy plants. They also have hard stems, but not as much harder as trees have. They live for few years. Some examples are rose, bougainvillea. Third category is herbs. Herbs are small plants. They have thin, soft green stem. They are also known as seasonal plants because they live for few months or maximum 1 year. Some examples of herbs are coriander, mint. Our next category, climbers. Climbers are the plants which have very weak stem. They grow vertically. They always need a support to grow in vertical size. Some examples of climbers are pea plant, money plant. Now the last category of plants as per their size is creepers. Creepers are the plants which have weak stem like climbers. But the difference is creepers grow horizontally along the ground. They also need support, but they grow horizontally along the ground. Some examples of creepers are watermelon, pumpkin. Now let us talk about the places where plants grow. Water. There are some plants which grow only in water. They are known as aquatic plants. Some examples are lotus, water lily. Desert. Now desert are the places where there is high temperature throughout the year and they get very less rainfall. There are some plants which grow only in desert area. For example, cactus, date palm. Forest. There are some plants which grow in the forest where summer season and winter season are very mild throughout the year. For example, oak tree and maple tree grow in the places where there is summer and winter both are mild and moderate. Hilly areas. The areas which get snowfall maximum time of year or have winter season throughout the year. There are some plants which grow in hilly areas only. For example, alpine willow tree. Now children, let us talk about plants and their uses. You know children, life would be impossible without plants. They help us in many ways. They are useful in many ways. How? In which ways? Let us discuss. Let us see. First and foremost, plants are the source of food for us. And everybody knows that if there is no food, there is no life. So plants provide us fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses, cooking oil. Second is rubber. Some plants give us rubber through their latex. Third is shelter. You know, plants and trees are shelter for many birds. And their shed gives shelter to even human beings also, some animals also. Now wood. The wood of some trees are used to make furniture like teak, shisham. The medicine. There are some plants which are used to make medicines like tulsi, neem tree, eucalyptus. No, oxygen. Plants and trees give us oxygen that we breathe in. If there is no oxygen, there is no life. Spices. Spices add flavor to our food. And plants give us spices like cardamom, cloves, etc. etc. There are so many spices that are given by plants only. Paper, the paper on which you write or the paper on which you read are made with the help of plants. Fiber, they give us fiber to make clothes. Flower, flower add beauty in our lives, and this flower is provided by plants only. For example, rose, marigold, sunflower, lotus. There are so many more plants which give us so beautiful, colorful flowers. In this way, children, plants are very important and useful for us. That is, because their usefulness and importance, they are called green friends. That is why all of you must take care of plants. If there is plant at your home, water it every day and try to plant a tree every year. Thank you.